Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to catfish someone on Snapchat. If you want to catfish someone, then first of all, open your Snapchat application on your device. Then click on the memories and choose any photo for now. Then click on the three dots on the top and then hit on the edit photo. Now from here select the scissor option and then make a sticker of a object. Then click on done. Now click on the third option and go to the scissor icon again and choose that sticker. Now from here you can make a snap and catfish easily to anyone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.